10K, 10,000 subscribers. Thank you all. I'm back. I'm on camera. First time in a year. Over the past few years of my career, I've shot quite a few videos. I shoot wedding videos, corporate videos. I've got a day job as a videographer, but the automotive content I shoot for YouTube is by far my favorite. I've made countless friendships. I've learned a lot of things inside and outside of video work, and I've even traveled thousands of miles across the country just to shoot short clips of cars put to music for the internet. Out of context, that sounds pretty ridiculous. But without sounding too cringy, I wouldn't be where I am in my career if it wasn't for the automotive content. I've achieved several personal goals with it, including the reason why I'm here today, 10,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. I was just gonna make a recap video of the past year and some of my favorite footage, just kind of a show reel like a lot of people do, but the 10,000 subscriber mark came at just like the perfect time. Like, what a great way to bring in the new year, and I figured it's something that needs to be addressed. It's a reason to celebrate, and the show reel doesn't do that justice. So here I am, thanking you and making a recap video. I'd say it's been a lot of fun over the last few years getting to where I am, and I'm not going to say it went without hardship, and I'm not going to say it didn't work very hard, but you guys helped me get here. I feel like I've gotten pretty lucky, and I've celebrated every single milestone. The first 3 figures, the first 100 subscribers, the first 1,000 subscribers, which happened about 2 years exactly ago, 9,000 in 2 years. I'm pretty psyched about that. While I really enjoy doing the event coverage and the car features that I've done so far, I think there's room for more. I want to do more narrative content. I want to do more documentary type content. I want to do more videos like this. I want to be on camera more. A lot of people have asked for videos of the gear I use, of how I shoot car videos, so that's all going to be coming too. I'm going to do more behind the scenes videos. I'm still going to be doing the event coverage because that's like my favorite thing to do. I want to do more automotive content with my own cars. So if you've seen the video of me installing Air Ride on my Audi A4 from last year, I want to do more stuff like that, because Air Ride is not the only big mod I'm doing on that car. And I also want to work with more automotive companies. You guys know I've worked with FunctionWorks a lot over the last couple of years. I really believe in what they do, and I think they sell some great stuff. And Josh, the guy who runs FunctionWorks, is a great friend of mine. I actually shot his wedding in Mexico this past year. I want to help those who help me, and I want to just grow the car culture in the Midwest in general. And lastly, I'm going to be actually selling merch online. I know I've been telling people for years now that like, it's coming, I'm going to have an online store soon, but I'm actually putting my website together now. Look out for that. I'm going to update you guys on that soon. And lastly, I just want to say thanks. I mean, I have a long way to go, and I have a lot to learn still in the video world. Here's to the next 10,000. And I want to say thanks to people who have personally helped me grow this channel. Specifically, thank you to Ian McDonald. Thank you, Ian. Ian has a YouTube channel as well and needs some love. I'm going to link it down below. He's an up-and-coming videographer just like myself, and he's helped me just immensely over the last year. He helped me out with my Clean Culture Chicago video, so if you like the footage in that, you're gonna like the footage on his channel. Thank you to everybody else I've probably forgotten. My wife, thank you, Heather, for tolerating me going to shows across the country and coming along for the ride, and thank you. I know that doesn't suffice, but I'll start there. And my brother, Evan, you've seen him in my Air Ride install video. He's helped me unbelievably over the last few years. Just like, it's family and that's what you do, but still, like, not every family does that, and I appreciate that. So Ian, Heather, Evan, anyone else that I'm forgetting, thank you so much. 10,000 is just an incredible milestone, and I appreciate all of you. So here's to the next 10K, here's to 2020. I'll see you guys next time.